So welcome to Series 4. I have a nice place to stay for the winter, off-grid, and the only condition of my staying there is not to tell anyone where it is. Not even you. Don't care what type of questions you ask, you're going to get a no. Want to know what my email address is? No. Want to know what county it is in? No. Want to know what country it's in? No. We're almost there now. I just heard Spain has gone into a 7-month full retard lockdown, right? State of emergency, curfew, lasting until May. Seems my first technical challenge, other than being here, finding this place and lighting the fire, is fixing the chainsaw to guarantee a log fire for the winter. There's the toolbox. Let's get the beans out of the way. That's enough. Oh, and the ramps.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, why does the toolbox never open the right side up? Right, looks about that big. In one. Okay, so there's fuck. Right, so somehow the saw has to go over the, oh, I see, look, there's a little wheel in there. Alright. And that loose saw has to go over there. Just like a bicycle, only sharper. Okay. Okay, so now I've got the sheath off, you can see the whole chainsaw mechanism. Better give this a clean out. Thought this was a stick, but it's a frickin' mushroom stem. Useless. You'd think it'd be easy to find a stick in a forest, wouldn't you? And it is, what do you know? That'll do. Right, where were we? Yes. Cleaning out the inside of the mechanism here. And Well, I'm a professional. That's why I use oak leaf cleaner, available at all forests now. Oak leaf gets in those hard to reach areas to remove grime. When you're out and about and you haven't got your tool set, you need oak leaf. Order 2 oak leaves now and get a free stick for those hard to reach clogged up places in your chainsaw. Available from any forest. This is basically like putting a back wheel on a bicycle, isn't it? You put it in too far, put the chain on, tighten it like that. Right, get the inside of the chain over the pinion there. Yes, like that. Other side over the wheel at the end and tighten there. There's a bit of a guide rail that the inner teeth have to go into down there, all the way down to complete the circuit. Good. As well, use the famous oak leaf product to clean out the inside of the chainsaw guard. That's why I use oak leaf every time for perfect results. No chain guard is cleaner than this. Oak leaf in forests today. Well, I guess that is part of some kind of safety, perhaps. Let's see. Okay, that's in solid. Try again. Oh, there's plenty of fuel in there. I'm so manly. That's why I wear pink trousers. It's really strange after all that wandering to now be at the beginning of a long time in one place. I remember, or maybe you do as well, when I just finished rent and moved into the van, I couldn't get used to the idea that I could be anywhere. I didn't have to be anywhere because I was everywhere I wanted to be. Yeah, I was already here, and now it's the same thing. I don't have to be anywhere because I am here. Government better bring the country back, so I can't be doing this forever, as nice as it is. Squirrels haven't taken my flapjack yet. I have a feeling that sentence, squirrels haven't taken my flapjack yet, has been used more than twice in the history of the English language. All I need now is an axe. This is the door of chi. It won't close unless you have a firm intention and resolve to close it. Thus, yeah, 1-inch punch every time. I don't think anyone needs to be taught how to light a fire. It's something we should all learn lawfully in our lives. Don't burn down the forests of Australia and California and call it global warming. When you've not cut fire breaks, we know your game. Oh yes, toasted.
Mmm.